it is my honor, ladies and gentlemen, for me to introduce you, also my idol, Attorney Rangel Salvador, sir.
Alam niyo, good evening to everyone. It is a pleasure to be here with you. Sinabi ni June, Past President June, that it is an honor. I would tell you that it is my honor to be with you. Bakit? Sasabihin ko sa inyo, ako yung nag-presenta kay Ellen because you inspired me during the induction. Kung tatanungin niyo siya, ako yung lumapit sa kanya, sabi ko siguro, dapat na maturuan natin, na-educate natin ang ating members. Kasi I've been known to be invited in other clubs. I am a training leader, whether here in the Philippines or abroad, pinipita ako. Nagsasalita ako as far as in Hong Kong. Na-trainer ako ng isang distrito sa Hong Kong. Hanggang sa ibang bansa, in-invite ako. Pero tama, may isa akong kaibigan na Rotarian na nagsabi sa akin, alam niyo, nung binanggit ko nga sa kanya na magti-training kami dito sa club ko sa club namin, sabi niya, alam mo, nahiyalan ko sa'yo. Yan ang hinihintay kong sabihin ko, sabi niya sa akin. Because for the longest time, I've been moving around. Gumagalaw ako sa buong distrito, kahit sa labas ng distrito, kahit dun sa distrito ng Bulacan. Inaabot ako doon, iniimbita ako doon para magsalita. Pero yung club ko, ito yung unang pagkakataon na meron tayong serious orientation, mapapatunayan ko. This is really because I was inspired seeing you. Yung nakita ko, kasi bigyan ko kayo ng bago ko pumunta sa Italy. Kinikwento nga sa inyo ni June na yung growth namin ang mabilis. Hanggat na lumaban tayo as Mr. Governor. Ngayon, nung tayo ay nung ako'y pumupo noong 2010 ang club, 2011, natapos ako ng 2011, the club had this feeling na parang pagod na pagod na. Right. All of us were so tired because we are not as many. At that time, we were just like around 25.
We were fighting many battles.
And we were fighting many battles. Kaya appropriate yung binigay ng example ni June kanina. Kaya nung 2011, parang nung sumunod na taon, ang naging presidente namin is yung fraternity brother ko, si June Caparoso, na talagang napag-usapan namin kasi parang lahat pagod. Parang isang taon na puro trabaho sa distrito kasi tayo yung nasa center stage. Lahat parang pagod, parang sige, mag-presidente na tayo ng global. Oo. Tapos nung pangalawang susunod, wala pa rin tayo, parang pagod pa rin. And parang we have had difficulty to build up. Our next president was Shama. And Shama, like June, were very instrumental in
Caparoso.
Si June Caparoso to make our club still alive. Kasi at the time, meron na yung mga, naku, parang naabot na natin governor, ano ba naman ang gagawin natin, di ba? Parang, pero hindi na, we missed out that the strength really should originate from the club. And I think ngayon na lang ito talaga nag-bear fruit. Noong last year, when Miles was with us last year, Miles made a lot of effort. She was very diligent, in fairness to her. But I would say that that was just a foundation of getting back commitments of people who were away. Yes, of people who were away. And now this year, to be honest with you, surprise of all surprises. Surprise of all surprises, our president, Ellen, was a surprise to me. In fact, I still remember, June, you remember, when we met with her over dinner? We met with her over dinner in Makati. Because we would want to settle who would eventually be the president of the club. Sabi ko, sabi ko kay Ellen, kasi Ellen is a person who's a very strong character. Kaya pagkakilala ko, sa tagal ko nang nakita yan dito, minsan nga pakiramdam ko, sinasabi niya, mag-diplomasya ako. Kung hindi obra diplomasya ko rito, sabi ko doon.
Kasi yan, pula yan.
Oo, diretso yan si Ellen eh. Bombastic yan, pag ayaw ka niya, magsasabihin niya.
Brutally frank.
Honestly, I had misgivings. Kaya I always told her, naalala siguro niya, at sinasabi ko, kausapin mo ko, pag may kailangan, you talk to me, because I don't want a situation wherein there will be issues among members of the club. And that is a big problem. Tandaan niyo yun. That is a big problem. And that is the reason why I am here with you today. Our club is a 13-year-old club. We've been to a lot of problems. We've been to a lot of difficulties. That's part of growing up. Kung nakikita niyo ang tao, 13 years old, we are now starting to be 18 years. Alam niyo? Oo nga, magpo-14, 30, magpo-14. Teenager na tayo. Hindi katulad yung nagsimula kami.
Ay, oo.
Alam niyo ba, we're just like toddlers. Alam niyo yun? Lalakad kami, dadapa kami, akit kami, dadapa kami, di ba? Ganun kami. Minsan nandiyan kami, minsan wala kami. Pero ang nag-unite sa amin, I could clearly remember, was when I ran. Pero alam niyo yung nung tumakbo ko, nung ninominate ako ng club, na I think we were very third. At sinabi nila sa amin, ang liit na club dito, lalaban. Ang kalaban namin, pinaka-bonus domination, Manila. Tsaka yung ating yung bagong bayan. yung kontra ng bagong bayan. So, gulat na gulat sila. Pero I think that united us. Kaya nga yung sinabi niya yung The Last Supper, ay naalala ko yun. And more than that, yung movie noon at that time, mas naalala ko yung movie, The 300. Naalala niyo yung movie The 300?
The Battle of Thermopylae.
Yung The Battle. Yun ang kapatid yun, 300. Kami lang.
Against about a million.
Against, ewan ko ba?
Actually, 100,000 talaga sa history.
So, ngayon, ang gusto kong maano ninyo, you are in a club that has had a lot of challenges. You are in a club that has had a lot of experience. At nung nakita ko kayo, sabi ko, this is the time for the club to be big and strong. Yun ang totoo yan. Kaya nakita ko kayo. And that is the reason why ako yung nag-volunteer ni Ellen. Sabi ko kay Ellen, siguro, it's high time magsalita ako. Sabi ko magsalita ako dahil yung tinuturo ko sa labas, dapat our members are well-grounded. Because if you are not well-grounded, if you become officers of this club, may marinig kayo sa labas, it's very easy to sway you. Why? Because you are not well-grounded. There is no strong foundation. So I think this is the best time to...
Which kami noon, that time.
Ganun kami, maniwala kayo tama, bago ko. Correct, tama.
Ibang club, i-influensya tayo.
Alam na kami noon, tama si Jure, nung nakita-kita kami, bakit tayo nandito? Totoo tanong namin Ewan ko, ayoko na kayong tanongin, ba't kayo nandito? Siguro iba sa hiyakin June, yung iba hindi nakatanggi, yung iba sabihin baka may iba naman tayo makikita rito, may iba tayo gagawin pag-biyernes. Totoo, ako nga, alam niyo ba kung ba't ako na-recruit na to? Ni-recruit lang ako kasi ayoko doon sa mother club. Sabi lang, doon lang ako nire-recruit. Sabi lang, total, ayoko sa mother club, dito ka na lang may pinoform ko rin bago. Doon ka lang nakilala si June. And June has been a friend for more than a decade. Marami kayong makikilala dito sa club na magiging kaibigan nyo for a long period of time. Hindi mo alam ang background, hindi mo alam ang attitudes. Yung iba dyan, hindi man perfect, you're not perfect. Iba sa inyo may karakter, iba sa inyo may eksperto ulo, may iba sa inyo
Madrama.
madrama, may iba sa inyo emotional, may iba sa inyo galit lagi. And that is not yun. That makes but that makes the club exciting. The spice of life, no? Ngayon, now, I will have now to go to the real reason why you're here. Is to at least give you an idea of what Rotary is all about. I'll try to capsulize it. Alam ko gabi, at marami sa inyo pagod galing kayo sa trabaho, all this. Ang intention ko lang ngayon, ay dental vision pa. Ang intention ko lang ngayon is to give you a good overview of what Rotary is about. Kasi marami nga sa inyo, napilitan lang. May iba sa inyo dito, hindi matanggay na recruit. May iba sa inyo dito talaga may leadership character na subukan ko nga Rotary. So, let me give you a general overview. And in the following month, siguro, pwede we could go to the more detailed like membership Rotary Foundation. But let me walk you through the entire Rotary at this time. Kumbaga, para kayong pupunta sa Disneyland, yung, di ba, meron yung around the world ba yun? Sa Disneyland.
Meron Disney Sea.
Oo. Doon po kayo ipaliliwanag. Now, sisimulan ko yan, nakita niyo yung Rotary Wheel. Nakita niyo yan, Rotary Wheel, di ba? Ito class pa rin. Layo ko pa din ito, Rotary Wheel. If you would notice, this is the single most important symbol of our organization. At nakikita niyo yan sa kalye, nakikita niyo sa t-shirt, nakikita niyo may pin kayo, yun yung nilagay namin. Di ba? Pero bakit yan, Will? Nagsimula yan kay Paul Harris. Alam niyo ba na nagsimula sila, aapang lang sila? They were only 4 individuals wanting to have an organization. And why was it a will? Because their meetings was transferred from one place to another. Una, gano'n siya, dito muna sa opisina ko, tapos may isang tailor pa, may isang strip pa doon. Tapos may minero pa doon, may miner. And they move from one meeting place to another. Kaya yung hill. Kasi umiikot, nagro-rotate ang meeting. Okay? Yun ang dahilan yan. Kung bakit. Ngayon, so tatandaan nyo, ang nag-found ng ating organization is si Paul Harris. Medyo kawin limonan rin. Medyo kawin limonan. Kasi si Paul Harris, at saka si Mr. Dubla. Ganyan kasi si Paul Harris. Kaya may salamin si Paul Harris. Ganito.
Payat din.
Pati makita nyo, okay, doon muna tayo, no? Ngayon makikita nyo, may light up rotary, nakita nyo. Okay? Alam niyo ba kung bakit meron light up rotary? Anyone of you? Anyone? Sige, sino sa inyo? Ha? Meron? Oh, si Rodan. Sino ba si Rodan?
Si Rodan.
Rodan. Bakit ba meron yan? Sige, okay, bakit tayo may light up rotary?
Any reason?
Any reason? Wala namang mali.
Walang wrong answer.
Enlighten. Okay. O ano kaya, Mr. Blum?
It's a guiding light.
It's a guiding light. Okay. Now, ito paniniwanag ko sa inyo. Ano? Theme. Tama, theme. That is a theme for this year. Alam nyo, taon-taon, mababago yung theme na yan. Para alam nyo, yung sabihin, taga-Rotary Club of Malati Prime, may governor, hindi nyo alam na taon-taon, may theme. Taon-taon yan nababago. Ngayong taon na ito, light up ang Rotary. Okay? Nung panahon ko bilang governor, ang team namin, bridging communities, building communities, bridging confidence. Yun yun. So taon-taon nababago yun. At yan, binabago, pagdating ng January, magkakaroon ng institute. At alam nyo ba na ang governor sa buong mundo ay mahigit 500? Mahigit 500.
So 500 districts na ba?
Yes, 500, more than 500 districts around the world. Sa Pilipinas, sa 10 distrito lang. Talo pa natin ang congressional district. Sa buong Pilipinas, sa 10, di ba, congressional district, 200. Sa atin, ang buong Pilipinas, sinabi sa 10 distrito lamang. At sa 10 lang ang governor at a single time. So taon-taon, kami, alam niyo ba kami noon, tinrain kami, pumunta kami ng Amerika. Oo, sa San Diego. Dinala kami doon. Yung 500 na yung dadalhin doon because we cannot sit as governor unless na-train kami. Nakita nyo, hindi kami pwedeng umupo ng governor. Hanggang na-train kami, may training kami na tinatawag namin, governor-elect training. Yan yung sa Kota Kinabalu, di ba? November, sa bawat taon. Tapos, bago pa umupo ng governor, in January, that is your last training. Imagine it, dalawa. Governor-elect. Malupit yun. Kaya, and imagine, a governor is being therefore, Rotarians. Yun yung dapat natin maintindihan. So, alam niyo na ngayon kung bakit tayo may team, ha? So, next year, asahan nyo, iba naman ang team natin. Alam niyo na rin na, Rotary Bill, andyan na si Paul Harris. Now, siguro ang gusto kong malaman ninyo, which is every Rotarian should know, would be the 5 avenues of service. Walang Rotarian na hindi nakaalam ito. Ano yung number 1? Ay, si Dato. Forward question. Maliwanag ko yan. Ang galing niya. Active pa siya. Si Dato.
Sa casino nagpasa yan eh.
Okay. Ito isa rin eh. Parehas lang. Ito. Ang una dyan is club service. Kailangan tayo mag-include sa club natin, mag-attend kayo sa mga meetings ng club, mag-participate kayo sa club activities. Yan ang tinatawag natin club service. Okay? Club service yun. Ang pangalawang avenue ng service, community service. That is serving the community. Yan, kaya kayo pupunta sa komunidad at tumutulong dun sa mga tao sa komunidad. Just like this afternoon, you went to Caloocan for the Commission. Community service. Okay? And I think that is the strongest avenue of service in Rotary. Community service. Ano ba? International service. And when you talk of international service, we've had sister clubs with other clubs around the world. Pwede tayong sister club sa Korean club, meron tayong sister club sa Japan,
Taiwan.
Okay, sa Taiwan, may sister club tayo dyan. Bakit tayo going sa sister club? To be able to build relationships in service. Alam niyo ba, kapag may relationship, hindi lang yung dahil sosyalan. Kasi may makakarinig sa inyo, ito, paano may sister club kami. Alam niyo, pumupunta kami doon, pinakakain kami, pinahotel kami, libre kami doon. Tapos totoo yun.
Susundin ka sa airport.
Pero hindi yun ang dahil ako ba't ka pumunta ako.
Pero ginawa ka na doon.
To build relationship and to fellowship so that they will help you serve our community. Kasi tayo naman, hindi kasi kulang nila eh. So they find partners in service.
We are receiving.
Yes, we are on the receiving end. At kaya magugulat kayo, may mga clubs, pag makikita nyo, may mga magiging kaibigan na sa ibang clubs, may darating na ibang members ng mga Rotary clubs from abroad, nagdudonate sa $5,000. Ganun. Makita mo, pag induction, $2,000 para sa club fund. To be able to what? Help us, or help you in your community service. Diba na, no? So, community service. The next one is what? Ayun, international pala, sinabi ko. Tapos kasama rito, siguro sa inyo, alam nyo mas madali nung araw eh. Kasi nung araw, meron tayong tinatawag na group study exchange. Alam nyo yan? Wala na. Kasi nung araw, meron yan, pipili sila ng group study exchange sa yung mga sa iba-ibang fields. Meron sa lawyering, pwede sa engineering, pwede sa business. Yung mga bata na hindi pa Rotarian, not more than 40. Tapos pipili sila ang mga Rotarians who could be